If you are developing a video game, you probably have some sort of enemies, NPCs, or entities that need to think and act on their own. If you want them to act with true intelligence, you need to stop guessing and start being explicit about how their brains works, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a high-performance behavior tree system from scratch in C++. So, take a look at my game, for example. It already feels like the wizards have a brain of their own, right? Now, obviously, you can just, literally just use if statements on this, but that's neither scalable nor readable. What if, instead, you can literally build this graph in your game engine and make the entities follow it? What is this tree anyway, and how does it work? Well, it is a binary decision tree, where each node can have only two child nodes. Each node can be either an execution node or a condition node. An execution node will execute logic and continue to another node called next. And a condition node will execute a function that will return true or false, and based on that boolean, it will move to another node called yes or to another node called no. Now, a decision tree will be evaluated on every frame. So we need a way to control if on each frame the tree is traversed completely, or if we need it to stop at a specific node and continue on the next frame. The way we do this is by creating a decision tree runner that keeps track of which one is the root node, the current node, and the next node. It also has the logic for the execution nodes and the condition nodes. With only this structure, we can already build the whole tree we draw. And not only that, we can control the timing, like when a node needs to wait for an animation to finish in order to continue. The other amazing part of this is that we can scale this infinitely, depending on our needs. We could make the tree be able to have more than two child nodes and make it a graph instead of a binary tree. We could add other type of nodes, like an interruption node, for example. The sky is the limit with this approach. So if you got this far into this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I'm trying to build a game that 1 million people will play, and this is part of the progress I have. I'm doing all of this without using AI and everything from scratch. You can check out this video where I go more in details about this project. Okay, bye.